Hey everyone, so what is the best free screen recorder for Windows 7 that has audio? In my opinion, and I spent yesterday searching, in my opinion, it is going to be OBS. So you can download that from the obsproject.com. Um, and if you go to their website, it says uh, if you know you're if you go to it says it supports Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. But if you go ahead and download it, the latest version 27.0.1 as of September 19th, 2021, it will actually work on Windows 7 still. So go ahead and download it, install it, and you have you will go here and add your display, add your mic, and yeah, I wanted to start do a recording on like how to I wanted I wanted to do a recording on how to do an NFT. I want to sign up for NFTs and like try to put one of my pieces of art up and see how that goes. But I first had to find a free screen recorder for Windows 7, and it was not that easy. So hopefully this helps.